Vanakkam from S. Kumaran. Welcome to Good Food. You can find vegetarian and vegan recipes. In this video, I am going to show you how to make white bread loaf. The ingredients we need are 250 gram strong white bread flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 3.5 gram fast action yeast, 1.5 tablespoon sunflower oil or olive oil, 150 ml water. I got weighing machine, measuring cups. This is US based measuring cups. This might help you with the measuring and weighing your ingredients. I got electric oven in my kitchen. Let's see how to prepare the mix. Now I have measured out 250 gram of flour. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt to the flour, and then I got 3.5 gram of fast action yeast, adding that to the mix as well. Mix them thoroughly. I'm going to make a well, kind of. So that we can add the water and oil to the center and mix them slowly.
Add the water. Add the oil. If you feel your dough is a little bit stiff, you can add 1 tablespoon of water and mix the dough again properly. Flouring my chalkboard so that I can smoothly knead my dough. Kneading the dough means you need to press the dough and pull it outwards like I do. You need to do this for 10 minutes continuously. By doing this, the dough will become soft and smooth. This is a boring part of the preparation, but by doing this, your bread will come out soft and spongy.
So I'm done with my kneading. I got the dough satin smooth now. So we need to make sure the dough is satin smooth. Then we can transfer this dough to a vessel, oil the surface vessel, and I'm adding a little bit of oil. Surface it properly. After transferring the dough to the oil surface bowl, we are going to cover it with the cling film. Make sure to cover it tightly. You can leave it 1 to 2 hours until the dough double in size, or you can leave it in the fridge overnight and you can continue the process in the morning. I'm going to leave it in the fridge overnight, so see you in the morning. Good morning, welcome back. So we left the dough in the fridge overnight, so we're gonna check it now how it has come out. Looks double the size for me. Now we need to press the dough gently, or as long as the air from the dough releases. Press the dough like this with the fist, so that the air inside the dough will be released out. So you can see the dough flattens. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a ball and then keep it in a baking tray. You need to line that with the kitchen foil, and we need to prove for another hour. So we need to line the baking tray now. So this is how we get the oil from the rope. Easy to carry neatly. I'm going to squeeze it a little bit so that it won't sticky in case. Gently flatten the ball like a bun shape and place it in the tray. We need to leave this for another hour to prove this. Then we can place this inside the oven. It's been 1 hour now. It's time to bake this now. We can put this in the oven. For oven settings, a conventional oven, set the temperature at 220 degrees centigrade. For fan assisted oven, set the temperature at 200 degrees centigrade. For gas oven, gas max oven.
I'm going to place the tray in my oven now.
You have to bake this for 25 to 30 minutes or until it's golden brown. Let's wait for that. It's almost 30 minutes now. Time to take the loaf from the oven. It looks golden brown. I'm gonna take that out. Looks good. If you tap at the bottom, you should feel the hollowness of the bread.
Usually this kind of bread loaf, the outside will look a little bit raw, but inside will be very soft and spongy. Tastes good, soft and spongy. Thank you for watching this video. Please try this recipe in your home and leave a comment below. Bye from S. Kumaran.